let's make a new game. It's going to be a side scroller game like Mario Brothers, only only going to have one scene. We won't actually be able to side scroll. I can't spell today, but that's not going to stop us. My friend ChatGPT knows what I'm talking about. So I want it to look like the water world. We're going to change this later on, as I found out that the graphic that we used has a white background. So the game too will have a white background. I want the character to be able to jump, move left and right, back and forth, duck. We'll ask it to make him to jump, or duck. He'll be able to jump. He will not be able to duck that I have seen and do double jumps. So let's see if this will do what we want it to do. I want him to be able to like double jump. I don't know how else to explain it. Just jump, and then at the top of the jump again. So we'll create our new file and save it. We can do that at the beginning to save us some trouble whenever we go to run the program. So I'm just going to call this my pie game. Save it. And let's copy and paste. Go for it. It's right there. Yep. Up. So slow down. It wants us to have our own image, a PNG file for the game. I don't typically like this. I would rather it use some graphics. If it was Java, I would ask it to use Swing, which is a library of graphics. What's a library? Check out my other video with the definitions. But a library is a class or a series of classes with different methods and attributes. What are methods and attributes? Ask ChatGPT, or again, check out my video on terminology. I'll come back once I find myself a graphic that we can use. So here we go. I downloaded my character. I copied the link, and here's the link, the path to my PNG file. Okay, that's big, but he moves, he jumps, got up to ground level. It looks like now he's just jumping at ground level. All right, he's dancing, doing a little ghost man dance. Ghost man dance. Okay, so the character needs to be much smaller, and the only thing that was the only thing visible in the window, as we all saw. So it'll correct the code. Hopefully the code's done running. We can copy it. Select all with Control A, paste with Control V. So now that that's done, we can go ahead and play. And okay, he is much smaller, and he can run, and he can jump. All right, like a little jackhammer. That's cool. You know what would make it cooler is if he would uh, switch directions that he's looking. So whenever he's moving right, he should be facing right. Whenever he's moving left, he should be facing left. So we're going to make him 4 times this size. And we're going to add a background, a blue background. Because I wanted it to be like Mario's Water World. And it's called Water World Side Scroller. So a little pane of blue should give us a water-like appearance, sort of. Just copy and paste that. Again, select all with Control A. So we're going to learn from that. We're just going to give that to ChatGPT so they can add that to our code from here on out. Bear with me. We got that, so let's go ahead and play it. And okay. Now he doesn't jump. He moves back and forth, but there is no jumping. You know what would make this better? Apples. What if he had to collect apples? Then I'm going to go ahead and give it my path to my character. That way it will know to include that in the code. I'll let it know it didn't jump now. Now it's got the path to the file. And we'll copy this code and paste it in. Control A, Control V. And moves around, white background, still no jumping. Oh, okay, now we open the new one. Now we can jump again. Just little baby jumps. So now let's make him jump 10 times as high. Copy that code, paste it in, and we'll hit play. You see the pattern here. We're getting code, we're copying it, we're pasting it in, we're pressing play. We got to remember to close our last window or the new window won't open up. So we can jump around now. I use it's a fast jump, but he's military, so he can probably do that. Again, we're going to try to get those double jumps. I want to be able to jump twice as high. And let's give it a platform so we can jump on that. Now that that code is done, we can paste it. All right, cool. We got a platform. We can go on the platform, heel slide off the platform, walking back, doing a moonwalk, jumping back, doing a moonwalk. That's cool. We can just ride, rail slide right on the platform. I kind of like that rail slide. I'm sure we can do something cool with that. Now we finally got to it. Reverse the image whenever he's moving left. And hopefully this takes care of that visual error that we were having. We're going to ask for some apples on the screen. We're going to turn this into a real game with a goal. And he has to collect the apples. All 5 of them. Giddy up. Now it's gone. Yeah, it was in the video. So here we go. Go collect some apples. Hey! That looks sick. Not apple collecting. Not apple collecting. So we can stop this. Still looks cool whenever he goes left and right. Doing what we want to do. Let's just tell it when the apple is picked. It should disappear. Whenever all 5 are collected, we should get a congratulations window. And we'll just get a you won screen. And this should just about do it. Get this code right here, paste it in. As you can see, we have over 100 lines of code now in just under 17 minutes. It would take a pretty good programmer to do that by hand in that amount of time. Got one, got those apples, or somebody that's extremely experienced. We won. Thank you for watching. If you would like to make any apps or games or any sort of program yourself, I can help you with the help of ChatGPT. We can make many things in a short amount of time now, thanks to our friend ChatGPT. If you like the video, go ahead and press subscribe underneath. Like the video. I appreciate it. Thank you.